Adam Wolf, he's a designer rather than a software engineer. He's saying this new model is something else. I've been tracking how long I can get the agent to work autonomously. With Opus 4.5, this is starting to routinely stretch to 20 or 30 minutes. I did this last night. I had a big task. I put it into Claude Code and said, hey, I'm going to bed. I want you to ask me a bunch of questions, set up the work, and I'm not going to give you input. I just get on with it, and you are not going to stop. In the morning, I'm going to check it out. I checked this morning and it worked for about 25 minutes doing its task. It had everything ready for me. So I can confirm it can work by itself for a long time, which is really cool. With Opus 4.5, it's starting to routinely stretch to 20 or 30 minutes. The task is often done simple and idiomatically. I believe the new model in Claude Code is a glimpse of the future we're hurtling towards. Maybe as soon as the first half of 2026, software engineering is done. Soon we won't check generated code for the same reason we don't check compiler output. I love programming. It might not be a big part of my job, but coding was always the easy part. The hard part is requirements, goals, feedback, figuring out what to build and whether it's working. There's still so much left to do and plenty the models aren't close to yet. Architecture, system design, understanding users, coordinating across teams is going to be fun and very interesting for the foreseeable future. He's saying the coding is pretty much a solved problem, or in 2026 it will be. And he's saying we need to start focusing on the bigger parts. So the architecture, what does the whole system look like? Making sure we're building something people actually want to use. That's a business part. That's the marketing part. That is more than just the code. And this tweet, because it's coming from someone Anthropic, has gone relatively viral. Let me see if I can find, I think Chubby was talking about it. Anthropic's Adam Wolf, software engineering is done. It looks like Dario was right. Dario Amodei, the head of Anthropic, was talking, was it last year? Basically saying that software engineering will be done by the end of 2025. It looks like this is pushing it back a little bit into 2026, and it's specifically for coding, not all of software engineer. But this is causing some consternation, of course, because if you are a coder, this is an existential threat. Reddit was up in arms attacking his character. These tools are getting better. Betting against AI is not smart. Nano Banana Pro has been a big shift. I was in a cafe talking to a designer. He uses AI,